Hello folks, we're going to be making a ice cream pie and an ice cream cake here today at the Hill & Marks show. We're going to start with the ice cream pie. We're going to make an Oreo ice cream pie. Many of the products we use to make these ice cream pies are available at Hill & Marks. We'll try to leave you a list after this video, or you could ask your sales rep for what products we use that they provide. We're going to start with an Oreo pie crust. Now we start by putting in JHS mellow cream fudge at the bottom of the pie crust. Because the hot fudge, if it's in your warmer, is obviously warm, the best thing you can do with these crusts once you get done getting them ready, prepared, is put them in a freezer. Probably 20-30 minutes at least, and that'll let the hot fudge set up and it'll stick to the crust, and that way when you add your ice cream it won't pull everything apart. So you're going to take this and you're going to put it in your freezer. Now we have one already prepared, so this one's already been in the freezer and you'll see it pretty much looks the same. The next thing we need to do is we need to add ice cream to this. Draw off the soft serve vanilla, and you're basically making a cookies and cream ice cream out of your soft serve vanilla. You bring that over. You're going to add some of the chopped cookies and cream, Dutch Street. This is a product available through Hill & Marks. You don't want to dome up the ice cream too much because you do have a domed lid that's going to fit on this. We are going to put this into a container for sale that we could sell out in either our freezer here, or if you have a restaurant, you can freeze it up and cut pieces. But we're going to use a plastic container with a plastic lid that is also provided by Hill & Marks. So there it is, the pie. Now before you decorate and prepare this pie for sale, you need to let this freeze. We generally let ours freeze overnight. That way it's going to be very hard, very easy to frost. It takes a little time to decorate. They don't take long to decorate, but you want to have it solid. So we will put this in the freezer overnight, and we have one already prepared, so we're going to bring that one down here. And here's your prepared ice cream pie ready to go. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put rosettes around the edge. So the first thing you do is what I always do is start at the top and do like a clock. This way it's symmetrical. So you're going to start at noon and work your way around the clock. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit more of the Oreo onto the top, just to give it a little decoration here. Make it stick out a little bit. And then the finishing touch is going to be some JHS chocolate cone coating. So if you have cone coating at your shop, you can put that into we use a ketchup bottle. And you can just put that in there and you just kind of go over the top of it. Okay, the final thing we have to do is put it in a container. We've got our plastic pie container here, a 10-inch pie container. Boom! You got yourself an Oreo ice cream pie. And depending on where you are in the state, you can retail anywhere from $15 to $25. That's how we do a Gilligan's ice cream pie. Thanks for watching. Now we're going to show you how to do an ice cream cake.